2.
All right, folks, we're live. I'm on YouTube. Dave's Facebook Live on Alex's
We're
phone
live.
right now. All right, so we got the shotgun part 2 here. Alex, just to recap, just because you guys live didn't work last time, it's working this time. What he's got to do is he's got to punch a hole in the bottom of this, and then he's got to pop the top, and then he's got to chug the whole thing without stopping. And if he fails, he will go to the hat again, because this is his second try.
Here you go, Alex.
We don't really have anything to do in the hat anymore. And actually, football season's starting, so we're going to start the hat.
we need to
Yes,
start
we
going.
will.
We'll do some challenges for you, though. Except
All right.
Dave will be gone for like a week and a half. So.
Dude,
Just next week.
hey,
I'm back,
hey,
Bubba. Through the-
that means we don't have to do all these crazy challenges that he comes up with.
I know,
We just
right?
got to get done before he gets back.
So we're going to bring the challenges to you next week when Dave doesn't have an input on any of them. Okay.
Hustling.
Hey,
Is that how you hand a knife over, bro? Look at this, guys. There we go.
I'm
Thank you.
scout, bro.
You didn't even wait till I said thank you to let go of it.
Anyway, here we go.
Okay, ready?
We've been ready.
Backyard's looking nice, by the way.
Okay.
Been ready. He's gonna
There
fail.
we go. He actually went. Chug, 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 chug.
Oh, that's what she said.
Atta babe. The breath of life.
Is it all gone? Do you want to dump that out just to prove it? Show our viewers it's all gone?
Oh.
Oh, bummer. That's why he did not play punter.
That was like so close.
We will see you in the Hat of Shame. Thank you, guys. We'll be live later for our top 5 QB wide receiver duos.
Stay tuned.